of COVID infection will show up in your nails. So in this video, I will show you what COVID nails look like. I'll talk about why they're weak and break, and give you some remedies to help them feel better and look better. If you're finding that your nails have a horizontal ridge on them, right here, it's really obvious on my thumbnail, that can be a sign that you had COVID. These are called Beau's lines, and they're a result of a trauma to the body, an illness, or a medication can also cause them, like a strong medication, like a chemotherapy medication. Nails grow from just under the cuticle right here from the nail matrix, and a stress to the body can cause a disruption in the nail growth pattern, and the result is a little divot there, a Beau's line. It will take the nail about 6 months to grow from here to right here where that free edge starts. The half moon you see, that lanula, is actually part of the matrix. Nails grow about 3.47 millimeters per month. So here is my Beau's line right here. So if we count it back, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 under the skin. So you can see that's 5 months of growth right there. It will take about 4 or 5 weeks before you actually see the Beau's line after your stressful event. Because remember, some of the nail is hidden underneath the skin. Some people might be experiencing hair loss at this time, about the 5 month after COVID mark. That's because of the same reason the nails are having issues. The hair was disrupted in its growth cycle and now is shedding more than it should be. Now what will happen is that's a weakness in your nail, and you can see this nail is breaking right at that spot. Now I just glue this nail back together, that's all. Little nail glue. The brush kind's really good to get right in that crack. Now if I really want to fix this, I can put a nail wrap on it, or I can put a coat of acrylic on it, or a coat of gel. The gel that builds nails, not the gel polish. So to prevent the break from even happening, you can put a thin layer of acrylic or silk wrap or gel over the nails before they even break to help fill in that weak spot. But if you just want to let it grow out, again, it's like 6 months. Oil is a good remedy for your nails after you've had COVID. Because they tend to be a little bit brittle, the oil helps give them some flexibility and helps them be less brittle, so they'll bend instead of breaking. Oil also adds strength to the bonds that hold the nail cells together, so that makes your nails a little bit stronger when they have a lot of oil in them. Oil also helps seal water into your nails so they're not so brittle. This is my nail oil that I blended for one of my clients who was having a lot of trouble with her nails. It has jojoba oil, myrrh, frankincense, and lemon oil in it, which all help to strengthen the bonds in the nails and hydrate, add flexibility. You just need 1 drop of oil for 5 nails, so drop the oil on 1 nail and then spread it out among the other nails and massage it in. I'll put a link below to all the items I use in this video so you can find them. If you want, you can just hide the Beau's line as it grows out. And I always like the Zoya Naked Manicure to do that. The Naked Base, the Pink Perfector, and a glossy seal. It gives you just a naked manicure look and hides that Beau's line as it grows out. The Naked Manicure base coat is very hydrating. It not only makes the nail look better, but it gives it a little more strength so it's not dry and brittle. There now. Now that nail looks much nicer. Here's the real naked nail. The Beau's line's still there, but so much less noticeable. Again, don't worry, these Beau's lines will grow out. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. Bye everybody. See you in the next video.